Hi guys, welcome to my OFTV. So today we are going to do a yoga, and this is my teacher, my beautiful teacher, Gloranda. Namaste. So tell us about our class today. What are we gonna do first?
So first in the morning we do lymphatic drainage movement,
Right.
and then we do subtle yoga for start the day with like high energy
Okay.
and gratitude.
Okay.
So we have some main lymphatic nodes at some point, so we're gonna activate them first.
Okay, let's do that.
So we're gonna detox our body first.
Right.
We start with this.
It's so sunny today.
Vitamin D.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna do this. Exhale. Inhale. Open up your chest to the sun. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Then we're gonna do some, this is chi. Next big lymphatic nodes are like here. So with this movement, we push this lymphatic fluid to go down. And then we inhale in the center. Exhale on the left. Inhale in the center. Exhale on the right. Inhale in the center. Exhale. Right. And then now. Okay, and now we move our waist. We have lymphatic nodes here too, so we're gonna pump it up.
Pump it.
Now legs together. It's like we're toys. We're Hawaiian toys.
This is cool.
And reverse. And now we do white, legs wide. We keep breathing and we focus on this part of the body. So we direct this new are here, so we're gonna remove them. Reverse. And now next are there. It's that nodes are mostly under the joints. And now knees together. And now we're gonna pump everything up and with your whole body weight. So you're gonna feel the shaken movement here, here. And a little bit of jumping. And pushing everything. That was very short lymphatic drainage, and now we can do our yoga.
Okay.
How do you feel?
Good. You feel good? It's hot though.
Yeah.
Oh my god. We're gonna die. Okay. So today, that's it. We're just showing you the lymphatic drainage. It was actually good. It's my first time to do that. I mean, I do lymphatic, but I actually done lymphatic when I do breath work in the morning in Nirvana. But guys, that is it. Thank you, babe, so much.
Short and effective.
Huh?
It's very short and effective,
Yeah,
for
exactly.
lazy people.
For lazy people. Okay, guys. So we skipped the yoga because it's very hot right now. So we're gonna be doing the yoga later on. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Thank you. Bye.